Drones have completely transformed how we capture stunning shots from the sky, but getting started can feel pricey. For beginners who want to practice before splurging on a high-end drone, there are plenty of budget-friendly options worth exploring. These drones under $100 might not match professional models, but they still offer surprising features to help you sharpen your skills and have fun along the way. We've rounded up 7 of the best picks to help you get airborne without breaking the bank. When it comes to capturing unforgettable moments on a budget, the Holy Stone HS440 really stands out. This foldable, travel-friendly drone features a 1080p camera with a 90-degree adjustable angle, making it easy to transform everyday scenes into cinematic shots. Beginners will appreciate features like headless mode, altitude hold, and emergency stop, which make piloting much less intimidating. Thanks to its gyroscopic stabilization and lightweight design, you get smooth, steady flights even if you've never flown a drone before. The HS440 also boasts a surprisingly good battery life for its price, giving you more flight time to practice your skills and share stunning videos with friends and family. Just remember, it isn't waterproof, so steer clear of rainy days. All in all, the HS440 offers a fantastic balance of user-friendly controls, portability, and performance without breaking the bank. The Rise Tello stands out in the budget drone world for a good reason. It blends real tech from DJI and Intel into a super compact, beginner-friendly package. You don't need a separate controller, just connect your phone and fly using the Easy Shots app. Despite its age, the Tello still delivers solid performance with features like digital stabilization, hover sensors, and a fun throw-to-launch option. The 5-megapixel camera shoots 720p video, which isn't the sharpest but gets the job done for casual use. Flight time hovers around 13 minutes, and while the theoretical range is 100 meters, 30 to 40 is more realistic, especially since the drone only weighs 80 grams. It's quick, nimble, and a blast to fly in calm conditions. For anyone new to drones or looking for a low-risk way to practice, the Tello is still a solid pick under $100. The D20S is a fun little drone that doesn't just look sleek, it's got a surprising amount of power under the hood. Thanks to its brushless motors, it flies quieter, handles wind better, and feels more responsive than many others in its class. The foldable design makes it super portable, and with 2 batteries, you can enjoy around 30 minutes of total flight time. The 1080p camera is adjustable by 90 degrees and includes gesture control, so snapping photos or videos mid-flight is pretty intuitive. You also get some cool app-based features like voice commands, gravity control, and custom flight paths, great for mixing things up. Beginners will appreciate how easy it is to fly, with altitude hold, optical flow, and one-button takeoff. And if you're into tricks, the 360-degree flips and high-speed spins keep things entertaining. Overall, it's a great pick for casual fun and first-time flyers. The Holy Stone HS280D hits a nice sweet spot for beginners who want more than just the basics. It's foldable, lightweight, and doesn't require registration, which makes it easy to pack and fly anywhere. The 1080p HD camera is adjustable by 70 degrees via remote, and combined with optical flow positioning, it captures surprisingly steady shots. Real-time FPV lets you stream your footage straight to your phone, perfect for sharing on the go. The brushless motors are a welcome upgrade, offering smoother, quieter flights and better wind resistance. You get up to 28 minutes of total airtime from 2 modular batteries, with an alert for low power so you don't lose it mid-flight. Features like gesture control, tap fly, and one-key takeoff make it approachable for new users, while tricks like custom flight paths add a bit of fun. It's a capable, travel-friendly drone with a thoughtful set of features. For someone who wants a durable drone that can take a few bumps and still keep flying, the S5C Elite is a great option. Built with tough ABS material, it's designed to handle crashes and rough landings without breaking. Beyond its sturdy build, it offers a 1080 PFPV camera with a 90-degree adjustable wide-angle lens for capturing clear, immersive footage. Thanks to brushless motors, it flies smoothly and quietly, giving you better control. The controls are beginner-friendly with one-button takeoff and landing, voice commands, and headless mode, while 360-degree flips add some extra fun. Plus, with 2 batteries included, you get up to 30 minutes of flight time. Overall, the S5C Elite combines durability, easy handling, and fun features, perfect for anyone just getting started with drones. The Velcase drone is packed with features that make flying fun and easy, especially for beginners and kids. Its adjustable 1080p HD camera lets you capture sharp aerial photos and videos, while the FPV real-time feed through the Velcase VGO app keeps you connected to the action. Gesture controls for photos and videos add a cool hands-free touch. It's loaded with helpful beginner features like optical flow positioning, altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff and landing, making it simple to fly right away. The foldable design and included carrying bag make it super portable, and 2 batteries give you up to 26 minutes of flight time. Safety isn't overlooked either, with propeller guards and overcurrent protection built in. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a reliable, feature-rich drone, the Velcase offers a solid balance of ease, fun, and versatility. The Contixo F19 drone is all about convenience and simplicity without cutting too many corners. Its compact design, just over 5 inches when folded, makes it incredibly easy to carry around. And at only 143 grams, it doesn't feel bulky at all. You get 2 batteries in the box, and each one gives you about 10 minutes of airtime, which is decent for casual flying or quick photo sessions. The included remote has a smooth response and works well up to around 80 meters in open space. For capturing the view, the 1080p camera has a 90-degree field of view, wide enough for dramatic shots. Though the 15 FPS video output isn't the smoothest, it does include auto hover and basic wind resistance, which help keep it steady and beginner-friendly. For anyone who wants a simple, lightweight drone that gets straight to the fun part, the F19 delivers. So there you have it, our top 7 picks for the best drones under $100. Which drone do you think offers the best balance of features and price? Let us know in the comments below.